How to clear notifications on iOS 17. So first and foremost, you have to make sure that you're on the current software update of iPhone. So as you can see here, let's just go back here. Go to your general and go to software update. Click on that. And you have to update your phone if it's outdated. Now, if you'll see an update now, click on that. And as you can see, I'm already on my iOS 17. Now let's just go back to our homepage. Since you want to clear your notifications on iOS 17, it's actually similar with the previous update software. You have to go here to your left side of your phone here, and then you have to drag up to down. That's in this way. And then here you will see all your notifications here. Now the next thing that you want to do is you will see here your notification centers, right? Now there are a lot of ways you can clear your notifications. I mean, erase your notifications. To do that, you can actually drag it right to left all the way to delete that. And the other way is to just drag it in the middle. Sorry for that. Drag it in the middle and tap on clear here. But since we want to clear if you want to clear your notifications, like all of your notifications, then here's the answer. You'll see the X mark here on the right side. Click on that and just confirm clear. And as you can see, you have successfully cleared your notifications on iOS 17, and that's it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.